Hi viewers, it's your girl Lizzy, one and only relationship advocate. Today's topic, I'll be discussing on how to avoid family intervention in your marriage. How do you avoid family intervention? It is not every issue you discuss with your family. It is not every issue they intervene. So try to at least set boundaries. So number one way to avoid family intervention in your marriage is setting boundaries. Try to set boundaries. Clearly define your boundaries. Let them know when to come in and when not to come in. Let them know their limits. It's not all the time. It's not all the time you allow them to come in and start settling disputes between you and your partner. So clearly define your boundaries. So another way to avoid family intervention in your marriage is avoid involving family in conflict. It's not every time. Avoid family when it comes to issues with your partner. It's not every time they come in when you have issue. Don't give them that chance, because if you're always seeking for their advice, if you're always allowing them to come in when it comes to you having issue with your partner, they will see it as a normal thing. Even at times, if you do not call them, they won't show up, because they don't know you're used to it. So it's not every time you allow your family to intervene when you're having issue with your partner. So another way to avoid your family from intervening in your issue is develop problem solving skills. At least try to solve issues with your partner. Try to resolve marital disputes amicably between yourselves. Don't involve third party. Don't always involve. The only time you can involve third party is when it's getting out of hand. Then when it has to do with physical abuse, this person is beating you, and all. That's when you should involve third party. But if it is issues that are minor that you can settle within yourself, it's better you settle instead of involving third party. But that's when they'll start giving you advice that might not really help you in your marriage. That's when you start getting advice from people. You should divorce this person and all. Even when what this person did is not enough reason for you to get a divorce. But because of the advice, they can't say you are getting from people, you want to divorce your partner. So it's not every issue, it's not every conflict you allow third party to come in, especially your friends and family member. So that's that for today. Till I come your way next time, I remain your one and only relationship advocate. Please keep following this page, like, share, and comment. And do not forget, don't always involve your family member whenever you are having marital issue. Thank you.